yawning because you won't stop. Stop! No, how about you stop? How about turn around so I won't see you yawn? That loud ass yawn! Go somewhere where I can't hear you. Like, who does that? That loud ass yawn. Face ass.